Aloha on November 2nd, 2017, and oh boy, you guys, look at that. It is huge. Woo! Look at that. You're being fried right now. Sorry, I shouldn't talk like that. I apologize. In any case, I wanted to update you and let you know there's this massive pulse hitting the atmosphere from the Pacific all the way across. Just wait for it to come up. Here it comes. Pay attention, watch for it. There it is. So that is, and then this one. So that one goes all the way across the United States as far as I can tell. But let's just see what that looks like when we do that. So there's a huge pulse all across here. I don't know that it reached Hawaii, or it hasn't come on our feed yet because it doesn't show up. So but this, I'm sure other researchers can find better pictures and further across. I have to go to the store. But I wanted to document this, that you're all getting a massive pulse right now across just the whole United States. And this is actually the latest feed right here. And they don't even show you what they're doing to us over here. Look at that. So, Lord knows. But you can see something's up, and I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that, and let you know that expect storms, or who knows. I guess they're doing that Department of Defense lights out drill or something. So I'm not sure if it shows up on this map or not. Let me just see. We'll wait for it. See if it shows. Be nice if we could see it on this one, but sometimes it doesn't show up on this. So you can see what they're doing there, making a nice storm. I don't see it. Oh, wait. No. Let's see. Back out. Sorry, it just takes time to go through the loop, and I haven't slowed down. Yes. So you can see it. So let me see if I can just stop this. Oh, that's not it, although that is a pulse. Sorry, this is taking a little bit. Let's just check this one out. So that is the extent of that one. Look at that. Goes all the way to the East Coast practically. Well, the East Coast is getting hit in a different way, it seems. But there's your ring pulse all the way up and down, and then God knows what that other stuff is. Well, they know. But they're not going to tell me, so I'm just going to show you, and you can decipher for yourself where you live and what your intensity is. And this is about to reset. Also on Mimic, look what they're doing here. Oh my gosh. Watch this. Whoa. Woo. Let's just spiral that baby right out there. Watch this area here, guys. That's it. Storms are coming. Something's going to happen. This is a new ring. I haven't seen this ring one yet. But boy, is it a doozy. Robert Deutsch, where are you? Get over here and report. Okay, I got to go to the store, take over all my fellow researchers, and let's get the word out. And stay safe. And that's Hawaii, but nothing much happening here. Big news is this one right here. So, all right. Aloha, stay safe.